So my name is Kimiesha Jackson. I am currently living in West Palm Beach, Florida. This weekend we're here for our recertification training, and this is with Gelish brand. My biggest takeaway is it doesn't matter how much you think you know, there's always something more to learn. There's always room for improvement. There's always a way to make something that's better, greater. And every time I come here, I come with what I learned the last time to build on it, and they never disappoint. If you come in with the intention to do better or to grow better than your last training, then you are gonna grow because you'll absorb everything that's given to you or taught to you. My name is Kimiesha Jackson. I am a master educator for Gelish and Morgan Taylor.